Hey everyone, Bricks form element has a password field which is really powerful and allows us to create custom login and registration screens. But unfortunately, it doesn't have a little eye icon that enables us to show or hide the password when we're typing it. So by default, this is what it looks like. And when you type your password in, you just see the dots. So I've added this functionality just quickly with CSS and JavaScript. Just a note of caution, this is not an accessible solution. It's not using a button element or anything like that. But if you want to use it, feel free to use the code. And hopefully Bricks will come out with this functionality natively in the form builder. So anyway, I want to show you how it functions. So I'll just type a random password in here, and then you can see the cursor changes when I hover over the little icon to reveal it and then hide it. So there's a couple of things you need to do. Firstly, select your form. I'm just going to delete this bottom form here. So select your form, and I'm just going to add the CSS in here. This is where you add your CSS. You see that it's targeting an attribute selector, and this is unique to your form. The way you find this here in brackets is by inspecting the password field, and you'll see it right here. So that's it. That's what you need to target in your CSS. Then you have your URL for your eye icon and the closed version, the closed eye icon down here. And you can change the size of your icon here and down here. You also need a JavaScript, so just drop a code element and then paste the JavaScript in here. It is also targeting the same attribute selector from your form. And the only thing I think you need to keep in mind here is that the cursor changes when you hover over the icon. So how does the JavaScript know to change the cursor when you're over here? It's the width of the pixels here. So if I put here 35 pixels, which is roughly the space around the icon here on the right. So if you have a larger icon, you can just change that. And that is pretty much it. I hope it helps, and I hope that Bricks Builder will come out with this at some point. But yeah, in the meantime, just use this, but remember that it is not accessible. But by all means, I hope it's useful.